Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can upgrade Windows 11 Home to Pro with product key. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very simple. If you're in Windows 11 Home, what you have to do is simply press on Windows button and then you gotta search up activation settings. And once you go to your activation settings, I'm on Windows 10 right now, but if you're in Windows Home, you'll see the option of upgrade. So I don't have it because I'm basically on Windows 10, but if you simply just press on upgrade, it will just take you to Microsoft Store. All right, and inside Microsoft Store you'll see Windows 11. So obviously in Microsoft Store sometimes Windows 11 is very expensive. I mean, like it costs around, I guess, like $50. So if you want it for cheap, you can get the product key by just, Windows 11 product key. And then you can find product keys in good price. So, and right over here, as you can see, you can buy Windows 11 Pro key on any kind of website that's in your supportive region, and you could just go to the website and then find it, and then after that you could just upgrade it to whatever you want. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you. I'll see you soon in the next one.